Remove F20, F39, F1, F25. Sand them with a wax chunk and sandpaper respectively. Note: polishing the side connection points of F1 and F39. Assemble them in order. Then assemble it with the main structure. Remove two F34 and assemble them. Then assemble it with the main structure. Remove F23 and sand the corresponding area with a wax chunk. Remove E25 and sand it with a wax chunk. Take out one Y5 steel shaft, one Y6 sleeve, one plastic spacer, and assistive tool T1. Assemble them in order. After assembly, remove the plastic spacer. Then assemble it with the main structure. Note: organize the wires to the side shown in the video to prevent the lines from being damaged by being pressed. Remove 4 F16, 1 F22, 1 F24. Assemble them in order. Remove F21, sand it with a wax chunk, then assemble it. Remove E6, sand it with a wax chunk, then assemble it. Take out part 1, clip the wires into the notch of part 1. Remove I9. Remove M2, apply glue to the position shown in the video, and paste M2. Then assemble it with part 1. Then assemble part 1 with the main structure. Note, during assembly, the green label should correspond to B2. Remove H4 and assemble it. Take out 3 part 2, remove 2 I5 and 1 H4, and assemble them in order. Note, during assembly, the purple label should correspond to B2. Take out 1 part 3 and 3 part 4, remove 4G5, and assemble them in order. Note, assemble the corresponding B2 color points. Take out turntable 3, thread the wires through the hollow part of A2. Note: pull out all the wires and make sure there is no leftover inside to avoid getting tangled up in the gears. Then assemble it with the main structure. Remove A38 and assemble it. Remove F13, sand it with a wax chunk, then assemble it. Remove C1, and sand it with sandpaper and a wax chunk respectively. Remove A24 and assemble it. Remove B20 and assemble it. Remove B23 and assemble it. Remove B25 and assemble it. Remove A21 and assemble it. Remove A23 and assemble it. Remove A22 and assemble it. Remove E9, and sand it with a wax chunk. Remove 3 E22 and assemble them. Then assemble it with C1. Notice that the arrows on the reverse sides of C1 and E9 are assembled in the same direction. Remove A25 and assemble it. Remove B22 and assemble it. Then assemble it with the main structure. Turn on the battery compartment switch to test if it operates normally. If there is stuttering, disassemble and check if C1, turntable 3, and the gears have been sanded smooth with sandpaper and wax chunk. Check if the gears mesh properly and if spacers were used to create gaps on the steel shafts. After testing, set the switch to off. Remove A8, sand it with sandpaper and a wax chunk respectively. Note, the connection points must be polished smooth, otherwise, it will affect operation. Remove N3 and paste it. Sand the bottom of A8 with a wax chunk. Take out the assembled main structure, assemble A8 with it. Note, align the red arrow at the bottom of A8 for assembly. Turn on the battery compartment switch to test if it operates normally.